In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Drive folder that you can share. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Google Drive on your device. You can do this using the browser or the Google Drive application. Either way, make sure that you're signed in to your Google account. Now in here, go ahead and click on the plus icon which you'll find here. Now click on the folder button. In this area, you'll need to enter the name of the new folder that you've created and click on the create button. Click on the three dots for that folder and this will allow you to find the manage access button. And here, go ahead and click on the change button under general access. Now set this to anyone with link. So in here, you can allow anyone with link to view this folder, comment on this folder, or edit this folder. Now once you head back to this section, go ahead and click on the link icon to be able to copy the link of this folder and send it to anyone whom you want to share this folder to.